HDX3. Bro, once you get a bigger box. What was that last 15-inch box you had? The Crescendo box.
I've been sold those.
Oh, but that box, that stain box, the color stain box, that was been a good box for this up. This box is.
Nah, because my plan was I was supposed to get 2 of those.
Yeah.
But the guy that I got that from,
yeah,
when I got the money for the other one, he had sold all 5 of them.
Oh, damn. It's still, that's pretty broken in.
Shoot, it better be.
It better be.
He had 2, I think, 5Ks.
2 5Ks?
Yeah, because he had a 4th order in a Blazer.
Oh.
Yeah.
Man, F Florida State. Florida Gators, bro. You already know. Can't believe you got that crap.
We in the apartments. I'm sorry. Big old 223 and plus a carbon.
Yeah, your voltage is dropping a lot, man. It's at 11. I see it.
Yeah, I just looked at it.
Yeah, bro.
Because I actually didn't play part about it.
Yeah.
I started seeing smoke from under the hood.
You seen? Oh my, yeah. You shut that bitch off, man. But you freaking underpowering this up like crazy. That amp ain't seen, you know. You ain't seen all the power from the amp yet.
Yeah.
You got wired to 1 ohm?
2.
2 ohms, yeah.
Because it's a dual 1.
It's
a dual 1.
Yeah, it's best to have it at 2 ohms. But when you get a cycle, when you get the rider, you know, parallel to series parallel to 1 ohm.
This bitch ain't hot.
Yeah, good. It's at 2 ohms. You need to stay at 2 ohms with your voltage.
Yeah, because that F5. Yeah, because the F5 was getting hot, and that was at 1 ohm.
Yeah, this ain't getting the full power. Anyways.
I mean, I might end up doing that next. I might just get the battery.
Yeah, you need to do that. Yeah, that's need to be your first thing.
Because actually, I was thinking about moving everything around. I was gonna move the amp over there and the battery, put it right there, and just turn the amp around.
Yeah, you need to do that. Yeah, you do that.
That battery. That one.
You have a back battery back here? Man, you supposed to get a back battery like.
That one ain't even strong enough in the front.
I know, but you need a back battery too, man. Oh my goodness gracious.
Because once the motor get done,
you gonna kill your damn amp. You know that? You still got that on 2100? Yeah, man, you killing this damn amp, bro.
I've been on their website. They all sold out of these.
Yeah,
like,
bro.
They've been sold out for a lot of them actually.
Yeah, man. Boy, people went crazy with those checks, bro. For real.
Because I was gonna wait to get a box built. Until I got a second one, but my baby mama, she was like, "Oh, I don't like how it sounds." I'm like, "Okay, we'll pay for it." We ended up going over to Travis. She ended up paying for it.
She paid for you, man. I wish my girlfriend did that. She want to pay for me now, boss.
I'm actually Travis gonna have the truck for an hour like it's supposed to be.
Yeah, cause you need an extra battery in the back.
But I think that battery is like $650.
Yeah, but you can, man. That's GMC for you, man. Leaking oil all downtown.
Yeah, sure. You see what all got to come off? All this got to come off. And
That's a damn
all
shame.
that down there got to come off just to get to the seal because it's right there where the crank at.
Damn, bro, that's
Because
GMC for you.
I had bought the part.